Well, I am doing great. What about you?
Oh, I'm doing great. What is in your hand?
Oh, it's a surprise.
Surprise? What for? Is there something special today?
Yeah, because today is a very special day. So that calls for a surprise.
Oh, really? What is it?
Okay, so I'll give you hints and you have to guess. Alright?
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Okay, here we go. It's a day when we put on a cap. Can you guess?
A cap? Is it on a summer day trip?
No. No, Sammy. That's not right. Okay, I'll give you another hint. It's a day when we blow out the candles and have fun with friends and family.
Wait, I think I know this. It's a birthday.
Yes, Sammy, you are right. It's a birthday. Today we're going to celebrate a happy birthday. Yay! Look, I got colorful birthday caps. One for you and one for me.
Wow, a birthday cap.
Yes, and some party horns too.
I love party horns. They are super fun.
Let's blow out the party horns. Are you ready, Sammy?
Yeah!
Are you ready, kids? Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. That was so much fun. On birthdays, we give and receive gifts. Sammy and I have got a special gift for you. You want to see what's inside? What's inside this gift? Say open and Sammy and I will open it for you. Open! Let's open the gift. Ah! Hey, what's this? It's a bus! It's a bus! Yay!
Oh, it's a lovely gift.
How about riding in this bus together? You want to have a ride with me? Yes? Okay. Sammy, let's sing the Wheels on the Bus song. Let's begin. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. That was super fun. Yes? Did you enjoy the Wheels on the Bus ride with me? Yes? So did I. Good job, kids. And what do we say when we receive a gift? Sammy, do you know? What do we say when we receive a gift from anyone? We say, thank you. What do we say? Thank you. Good. What else do we do on a birthday? Can you guess? We bake the cake for the birthday boy or the birthday girl. Yes. So, because it's your birthday, I will bake a cake for you. Wow! Who loves cake?
I love cakes. So yummy.
Okay, so let's bake a cake together. Let's sing a song while baking the cake. Are you ready, Sammy? Let's begin. Cut a cake, bake his man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. So roll it and pat it and mark it with the V. put it in the oven for you and me. So, as you can see, our yummy delicious cake is ready. Can you tell me what do we put on a birthday cake? Can you tell me, Sammy? What do we put on a birthday cake? We put candles. That's right. How old are you? So you're 4 years old. Let's put the same number of candles on the cake. We got 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, and 4 candles. 4 candles on a birthday cake. And light these candles up using a matchbox. No. You don't have to do it. Either your parents or your elder siblings will do it for you. Ooh, a cake looks so lovely. What do we do next? Let's blow out the candles on the cake. But before that, close your eyes and make a wish. Sammy, let's do it together. Let's close our eyes and make a wish. And then blow out the candle on the cake. Very good. Sammy and I made a wish together. What about you? Did you make wish? Yes? Very good. Let's sing the happy birthday song. Are you ready? Let's begin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Clap it! Very good. Now it's time to cut the cake. Let's take this knife and cut the cake. Wow, this looks so delicious. Oh.
Hey, Eva, can we eat the cake now?
Sure, Sammy, of course we can eat the cake now. Let's take out a slice of cake into our birthday plate. Let me show you. This is a birthday plate. A birthday plate. And we eat cake using a fork. A fork. Yay. Let's take out the birthday cake slice very carefully into our birthday plate. Whoa, can you see it? It's so yummy. Sometimes we also serve yummy snacks with a birthday cake, like we have a cool drink can here. Yay! And an ice cream. Ice cream. Or some cookies. So yummy. Let's eat the cake now. So yummy, Sammy. So yummy. Wow. Sammy, what do you like about birthdays?
Playing games.
Playing games.
Yeah.
Sammy likes to play games on his birthday. What do you like about your birthday? Playing games? Yes, we play games with our family and friends on our birthdays. Hey, do you want to play a game with me? Yes? How about we play a beautiful game? Any game? Okay, so I'll play the music And you have to dance. Wait. And then when the music stops, you have to freeze like a statue. Like, you have to freeze. Okay? Shall we begin? Oh, I'm so excited about this game. Are you? Are you sorry? Let's begin. Let's play the music. Ta-da! Let's dance. Let's dance, Sammy. Oh, music stop. Sammy's freeze. Oh, you played so well, Sammy. Very good! Birthdays cannot be complete without balloons. Who loves balloons? I love balloons as well. I love celebrating birthdays because they give me a chance to make someone feel so special. So, happy birthdays are amazing! Super duper amazing! Yes, we should always celebrate our birthday and our loved one birthdays to make them feel so special. Yes? Good! So, I'll see you next time. Bye bye, kids! Until then, let's dance! Woo! Yay! And have lots and lots of fun! Bye bye!